Oh, you're here. Hey, everybody. The bee is back. I'm about to make some rice and pigeon peas. I have some andouille that I'm going to be adding to it for some extra flavor. Okay? Nous allons faire un petit Diri pour Kongo là. Bon amis qui ba mon petit andouille là, on va le mettre là-dedans. Right? Are you guys ready? Well, let's get busy then. Okay, let's go over the ingredients we're gonna need. Of course, the main ingredient is gonna be the rice. I'm using the white rice for this. Okay, for green peas and stuff like that, I like to use white rice. All right, this is our pigeon peas already boiled. Now, the water that boiled the peas, don't throw it away. That's what we are going to use to cook the rice. Okay, now of course, use the andouille. For those of you who don't know, andouille is a salted pork. All right, just for extra flavor, nothing really. If you don't have that, no big deal. I'll add some thyme to it, pepper, hot bonnet pepper. Of course, that's the foundation of Haitian cooking, our épices. All right, and I'm gonna add a little bit of tomato sauce to give it a little color. Alrighty, so let's jump over to the stove and that gets this baby started. All right. Okay, I think you have a good shot here. All right. First thing first, let's fry our andouille first. All right. I reduced my heat before, so all right. Let's get that fried up. All right, I think you can see better here. All right, so we fried up our andouille. Okay. We're gonna add the épices. Even though the épices already have garlic, I like to add extra garlic. All right. Let that fry up a little bit. It's ready. Don't let it burn, okay? As soon as it starts turning a little goldish color, go ahead and then add your peas. All right? I'm adding my peas. I will also add my little bit of tomato juice or tomato, or is that tomato juice? I don't know, some kind of tomato. Not paste, tomato sauce. And then I also like to add a little bit of better than bouillon to this. Alright. This is optional, okay? This is what I just added to it. Better than bouillon. Extra flavor. Alright. So I want that little salt to get into the peas. On a bay poa an ti di. An ti sel an te lan poa. As you can see, not a lot of tomato sauce. E she son ti cool them live and then. That's it. Okay. Alright. Now when you boil your peas, the pigeon peas, I got those at the Publix. Yeah. They were like frozen. Okay. So when you boil them, it only takes like maybe 10 minutes, not even, to cook. Alright, don't overcook them because remember they're gonna cook again in the rice. Alright, so that's about it. So let me get the water in there real quick. Now you saw the rice I'm gonna be using. This is the measure of rice I will be using, okay? Now, I'm using the same measure to measure my water. Alright? So it's white rice, so I only need 1 1/3 of that measure. Okay? That's about it. That's the way I like it because I don't want my rice to be mushy. Normally you should put the two together and tie them up. Who has that kind of time? Okay. So now to our water, I'm adding a little bit of black pepper to taste, you know, just to taste. That's about it. Now I'm gonna be waiting for the salt. I'm gonna taste it first. So if my salt is okay, I don't have to add more, but we'll see. Alright, so put a lid on it and we wait. Okay, water's already boiling. Okay, so I'm gonna test it real quick. Always taste the food. I need a little bit more salt. Not too much though. Just a bit. Alright. Yeah, that's it. 1 teaspoon more. Watching the salt intake in this house. You know? Commence à entrer dans l'âge, je crois qu'à manger un pile sel. Faut veiller. Veiller en haut, veiller en bas. Okay, so I'll just put my rice in there. Sorry if I'm blocking you, blocking the view here. Okay, there we go. Give it a stir. Now this is how Haitian cook rice. All right, we don't use rice cooker. Okay. I can already smell this thing. That's it. Don't disturb it too much. All right. Now we're gonna let it boil until there's no more water at the surface, and we'll come back and put the lid back on. See you back in a bit.
Getting busy with the beat. Abonné, partagez, like. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, bora pouca pone tout ça ou pas connaît yo. Nous préparer savon, nous préparer bon manger et bon pâté et la griller. Getting busy with the beat. Getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, getting busy with the beat, with the beat. Oh, oh, nous fait savon, nous fait savon. Nous préparer bon manger créole qui bon dans le jol. Getting busy with the beat. Cooking, well I'm baking. Ma pied pas souper. Cleaning, belle bague au candidat. Et pour pas souper le bagage. Bon savon. Bon bagage. Cooking, baking, soaping, cleaning.
There's no more water at the surface. Reduce your heat, lowest level. Put your lid on. That's it. All right, let's check it out. There we go. Oops, don't forget that we have the pepper in there. Pepper is buried in there. Look at that. Always. Ooh, smells so good. All right, see that? That's the consistency we're looking for. All right, there you have it. Okay, there you have it, folks. There we go. We're ready to eat.